Sup, y'all? Who's checking in? Doing a little junkyard run. Just got off work. Cinco de Mayo. We at the junkyard. Doing a little run. And I'm making this video, man, because there's about 100 of these things in here today. Number one on the list is early 90s Firebird. Looks like, yeah, Firebird TTop. They got wrecked. Dash is all cracked. Whatever. Tail lights is busted. That's busted. That tail light's busted. All these T-tops on these cars are gone. Got 3 of these rims. I think I've seen the 4th one somewhere. The electric fans. 3rd one. And I think I know where the 4th one is. I think the 4th one's over there somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna keep moving on to the next one. Let me see. Popping my head through these rows. I know there's a bunch of them hidden in here somewhere. Alright, yeah, so next we got this right here. There's another Firebird 91. 91. A lot of these are T-tops. And this T-top section on this car looks good, if you ask me. But yeah. Here's the next one. Let me go through this Firebird real quick. This is all cracked and that's busted. The other tail light's gone. That's got a good quarter panel. Door's all dinged up like somebody shot it with bird shots. Dash is cracked. Hole cut in to access the gas tank. These from right come with the 36mm sway bar. Oh, this is the solid one. Okay, I think this is the 32mm sway bar, solid sway bar. These fit the G bodies. Another one down here. I don't think so. Alright, yeah, these fit the G. These sway bars fit the G bodies. I have one of these. There's a 32mm. The 36mm have a little hole in it. See, I think this is it right here. Here it goes. This is a 36mm sway bar right here. You can tell by it has this hole in it right here. That's supposed to be the 36. You can fit these in the G bodies too. But I have the other one, the solid sway bar without the hole in it. This is a 36. The one I have is a 32, I think. But here's another. It's an 89 Firebird. I'm guessing it's a Formula 1. I think that's what they are. The dash is gone on this. Yeah, I'm not even ready to open that. I think these are worth a little bit of money, but it looks broken to me. Right here. Yeah, and that right there too. So I think that thing's toast. And we got this one right here, this purple one. Let me walk around. This purple one, it's clean, clean, clean. But yeah, I think this is it's a V8 car. It had like a 305 in it or something. And I need these transmission lines out of one of these cars. This one doesn't have it. Oh, this one probably has a good transmission. I didn't even notice this. It's saw smacked on this side. Damn, sorry for whoever lost their car. It's a clean seat. Alright, but back on track. We're going to the next one. Here's this purple one. This was a super solid looking car. Almost damn near looking solid, but yeah, this was too clean to end up in the junkyard. Clean all around. And got a little rust down there, but I mean, still in general, it's still too clean to be in. To have ended up here. I'm guessing this might be the block that came out of it. There's no motor or transmission in it. I guess this block has been done, is my assumption. And this block is probably bored over a little bit. I'm gonna assume is why they took all the stuff in it and left the block itself. Some door panels. Yeah, all this stuff's damn near gone. Floor's in good shape. But yeah, there's another one. Alright, let's walk down here. I think there's another one down here. No? Okay, there's a couple more walk this way. Did I pass the bubbles yet? Alright, there's those two. There's a few. Here we go. Here's one of them. One bubble caprice. Could use the transmission lines off that, but it's a little bit too much work that I want to do. Caprice 93. Alright, on to the next one. Another bubble caprice. Classic. This one was wrecked in this corner. This one was wrecked. Probably another 305 block. Probably a 700 transmission. I think it has drum brakes. All this interior is gone. Airbags went off. Alright. On to the next one. Right here. Here we go. The 2000 Camaro T-tops. Second set of these purple seats that I found this week. I think this might be, I'm not for sure if that's that other wheel or not. But there's a V6. Was it a 3.8? Yeah, it was a V6. Smashed in the front. T-tops are gone. Purple seats. Rear end's gone. Oh, it's sitting right here. There's no posi in it. That brake caliper looks kind of clean. But I don't know if it's new. It is 25% off today, and I didn't bring my tools inside. I'm just searching around, seeing what I can find. Oh yeah, okay. There's that bubble caprice. I think there's another Firebird in here with T-tops somewhere. Oh, I see it up there. And there's a couple more bubble caprices. And here's another Camaro V6. Paint calipers. This is all gone. Leather seats. Dash is cracked. All this rear end stuff is gone. We have 96 Firebird. Tail lights are gone. T-tops. T-tops are gone. Dash is cracked. Seats are busted. It's the old style disc brakes. And let's see what else we've got. I guess I can walk around this car real quick. Oh, this is a V8 car. V8 block. Guessing completely stuck because it doesn't say anything on it. But yeah, another V8 car gone. Alright, and I think we have some more in here. I'm pretty sure we do. I've seen a few of these walking in here. Another bubble caprice. Oh, this one has a 5.7. It's the big V8 bubble caprice. Don't know, special 1, special 2 body style. Alright, that's a surprise. A 5.7 5.7 caprice. I didn't realize that when I walked in. I got excited for this car in fucking Riviera. And then I realized it was a fucking Riviera. Alright. Here we come up on a box Chevy. Somebody went to town on. I wonder if it had like a sunroof or something in it. Or somebody just needed the roof. But yeah. Somebody went to town on this bubble caprice or box Chevy. And tore this thing up. Yeah, front end's gone, all this side's fucked. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we hit the trucks now, so that's it. Alright, y'all, who's checking out? Just wanted to show y'all the 10 Fbodies we have in the junkyard.